Hi everybody! Today we're going to be making slime. Ariana and I usually make quite a bit of slime. That's why I have this little crazy messy bucket there. So we're going to be using some clear glue today. You can use white glue, but for the one that we want to make today, we don't even have that much, but we're going to use the rest of this and we're going to make puffy slime. So we need some shaving foam. The contact solution is going to be what will turn this mixture into slime. Yeah. We'll use some blue food coloring to put in there, some glitter, silver glitter. I also have this little snow, glittering snow that will add some in there. And then these are just the glitters that I got from the Dollar Tree. So you can make whatever color you want. So let's get set up. Oh yeah, you will definitely need a bowl. And this is our designated bowl and our spoon to mix. So let's get started.
Okay.
Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
What kind of slime are we going to be making today, Miss Ariana?
Elsa slime.
Elsa slime. Oh yeah, you got Elsa right there on your dress. All right. And what color will that slime be?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, let's start by pouring the glue.
Yeah.
Okay, get started.
It's too hard.
It's too hard here. Give it to mommy so I can
It's so hard.
Let me open this. Yeah, it was tight. Let's open it up. Okay, pour, pour, pour. Pour the whole thing, okay? Do you like making slime?
Yeah. You love tea. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye to who?
Them.
You're saying bye-bye, but you haven't even shown them how to make your slime. You silly.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just say that's it. For the glue, what are we going to put up next? Some coloring. Okay, give it to mommy so I can open it. You're going to do 1 drop first and then mix it. Okay, so 1 drop. Go ahead, put 1 drop. Ooh, that was 2 drops. Okay, now mix it with the spoon because this is dark, so you don't want it to get too dark, right? Because Elsa's dress is not too dark. But this will lighten up with the foam. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, ready to put the...
It's glue. It's like foam. It looks like good.
It looks like what?
Good.
Ghoul?
Goody slime.
Ghouly slime?
Like wiggly. Goody.
You're silly. Okay, you ready to put the shaving cream? Of course you are. Let's go for it. Keep going. Alright, let's stop there. Okay, mix, mix, mix.
Wow, it smells so yummy.
It smells so yummy.
Up
You mean
there.
it smells good? Not yummy, because you don't eat this. Silly.
Whoa, it's turning so light.
Yeah, because we put the shaving foam. Do you need some help mixing?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put it together.
Alright, we mixed the glue and the shaving foam and the food coloring, and this is what it looks like so far. I like to use a spoon. A lot of people, when they make slime, they just use their hands. I like to use a spoon to minimize the mess. So right now it's just looking like this. It's not slime yet. We did have to add a couple more drops of the food coloring, and in order to get it to this color. So next we're going to put Ariana's favorite thing, which is
Glitter.
glitter. Okay, so you can put the whole thing. So hold on, let mommy open this. Take this cap, go ahead and flip this whole thing. Whoa. And tap, tap, tap to get everything out. This is going to be a cool slime, Ariana. Very Elsa-ish.
There's snow.
You want to put snow next?
Yeah.
Okay. Open.
It's too hard.
That's too hard. Mommy will open it.
Super hard. And white.
Okay, so this is what the snow looks like. Okay, so grab some. Okay, more than that, like a full spoon.
Like this much?
Sure. Maybe more, actually. Here, let's drop that in there. Now grab some more. More. Okay. Put it on top, slowly. Okay, now put the spoon in here. So put the spoon in there. And now mix.
Oh, it's too hard.
It's hard to mix. Oh, wait until we add the solution, the contact solution to make slime. Then it's going to get harder. Do you need some help mixing? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's go mix. Okay, now everything that's mixed in there, all the glitter and the snow, we are going to put, what are we going to put next? Activator. And that's the contact solution. So let's start putting some.
A lot.
And can you hold a bowl for me, Ariana, with both of your hands?
What? It's still moving.
Okay, can you hold it on both sides tight? Okay, there you go. So now that we start mixing with the contact solution, you see it's starting to stick together and it is becoming slime. So let's massage this thing and then we'll show you how it looks at the end. Ta-da! Here is our slime. It's glittery and it's blue and it is so puffy and stretchy. Ariana, can you test out the slime for me? Let's see how stretchy it is. Pick it up. Ooh, it's stretchy. Did you have fun making the slime?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to go play now?
It's so sticky.
It's still sticky. So one thing, the contact solution, pour it a little bit at a time, and the more you pour, the less sticky it will become, but also the less stretchy it will become. It'll become a little harder, so just keep that in mind, but that's not such a bad thing. It's still fun slime, especially if you have little ones. You don't want it to be too sticky. So there you go. Here's our slime. Check it out. Let me put some more contact solution.
Oh, it's good.
It's good now? It's good.
Yeah,
Can you make a bubble? Let's see.
Oh.
Can you make a bubble with puffy slime? I don't know if you can. Aiden's still sleeping. Let's not make a lot of noise. Alright, try to make a bubble real quick. Let's see if we can do it. Almost. It's okay. We'll practice. Tell everyone, I hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Make sure to try it.
Make sure you try it.
Make sure you like my video.
Make sure you like my video.
Bye.
Bye.
Kissy? Well, actually, no, your hands are sticky. Just do flying kissy. Bye.